Good morning, students, and welcome back to class of computer. So today we will be discussing the exercises of chapter 1, which is computers in the past. So let's start the exercises. The first exercise, that is true and so this will be true because compute is a Greek word which means to do the calculation, and computer is word has been taken from the word compute only. Second, the abacus was the first mechanical device for calculation. This one will also be true because abacus was created in 3000 BC, that means nearly approx 5000 years ago from now. It was the first mechanical device for doing the calculations. Napier's bone used gears and dials. This will be false because Napier's bones were created by using the bones of the animals on which the numbers were carved. So it was not using any gears and wheels. Gears and wheels were being used in Blaise Pascal's calculator, which was known as Pascal line. Fourth, in the Pascal line, numbers were displayed by rotating wheels. This one will be true. For changing the numbers on the dials, we used to rotate the wheels on the Pascal line, and then we were giving the input to the Blaise Pascal's calculator. Fifth, Charles Babbage was the first programmer. This one will be false. Charles Babbage is known as the father of computer, not the first programmer. First programmer was Lady Augusta Ada Lovelace. Now she was known as first programmer because she wrote the first algorithm of suggesting the method of storing the data in the form of 0 and 1, which is known as binary data. Whereas Charles Babbage was known as father of computer because he created the first computer on which today's all modern computers are based on. Six, mini computers are used in hospitals and banks. This will be false because in hospital and banks we do not need to create networks there. So that's why a microcomputer will be enough. Exercise B. Write the names of the inventors of these machines. ENIAC, which is Electronic Numerical Integrator and Computer. It was created by John Moseley and J. Presper Eckert. Second, Leibniz calculator. It was created by Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz, who was a German mathematician. Third, UNIVAC 1, full form Universal Automatic Computer 1. So it was created by the same inventors of ENIAC, which is John Moseley and James Presper Eckert. 4. Mark 1. So Mark 1 was created by Howard Fifth, difference engine. The difference engine was created by Charles Babbage in the year 1822, and analytical engine was also created by Charles Babbage only in the year 1833. Six, tabulating machine. So tabulating machine was created by Hermann Hollerith, which was capable of taking input in the form of punched cards. 7. Pascal line. So Pascal line was created by Blaise Pascal, and it was capable of doing addition and subtraction. Now let's move to the next exercise. The next exercise is C. Fill in the blanks. Choose from the words given in the box. Dash is a personal computer. So here IBM PC will be the answer. IBM PC is the personal computer which was created by Charles Babbage in the year 1822. Generation of computers, dash were replaced with keyboards for input. So in the till second generation of computer, we were using punched cards for giving the input. So till second generation of computer, we were using punched cards. So punched cards were replaced by keyboards in the third generation of computer. Fourth, the world's first commercially available computer was dash. So the world's first commercially available computer was UNIVAC 1. IBM 1400 was a second generation computer. It worked using dash. So IBM 14 was second generation computer, and in second generation of computer we were using transistors as at the place of circuits. 6. Dash were the main components of first generation computer. So vacuum tubes were the main component of the first generation of computer. 7. The fourth generation computer used dash that had millions of electronic components on a single chip. So the answer here will be microprocessor. So now let's move to the next exercise. Tick the correct answer. How many rods are there in Napier's bone? So in Napier's bone, total of 10 rods were there. Second, what was the Pascal line used for? So Pascal line was used for only doing addition and subtraction. It was not capable of doing multiplication and division. Third, what is data in the form of zeros and ones called? So data in the form of zeros and ones are called binary data. Fourth, in which generation of computers were integrated circuits used? So integrated circuits were used in the third generation of computer. Fifth, Sumit Samit is an example of which type of computer? So Samit is an example of supercomputer. So with this, our exercises of chapter 1 is over. In next class, we'll start a new chapter and we'll discuss the question answer of chapter 1. Till then, keep studying, stay healthy, stay at home. Bye everyone.